So we're often asked, how do I register? The process is pretty straightforward. To get started, we'll need copies of the following documents: your driver's license, motor vehicle record or MVR, DOT physical, a completed copy of a document we'll provide you acknowledging your compliance with CFR 49 Part 383, and finally, what's called a DOT pre-employment drug screen. This has to go through a lab and it cannot be a rapid test. Once we have those required documents, we'll need to figure out payment. Often, we have grant money available that will fully cover the cost of tuition, and most students qualify. Once we have all the required documents and we've figured out payment, we'll get you started on the first part of our CDL course, entry-level driver training. ELDT is federally required. We offer it as a series of self-paced online modules. While this part of the course is self-paced, we do typically give students a 3-week deadline to complete it. After ELDT is complete, we'll send you study materials for the tests you'll need to take at the driver's license office to get your commercial learner's permit or CLP. We'll also schedule you for the hands-on portion of training. This final part of CDL training takes place at one of our 2 locations, either in Cheyenne or Laramie. This part of the course lasts about 4 weeks, and during that time, you'll work closely with one of our instructors, learning to confidently drive, back, and inspect a commercial vehicle. As class comes to a close, we'll administer your CDL test and provide you with a list of employers who've expressed an interest in hiring our graduates. Many of the positions are local, home most nights if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking to run regionally or over the road, we can help you there too. Like I said, pretty straightforward. Are you ready to get started? Reach out today. Email us, cdl@lccc.wy.edu, or click the link in the description below. We're looking forward to helping you get your CDL and start your new career.